Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to disable autocorrect on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your web browser. Then, look for the gear icon on the top bar and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Open All Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General section and find the Autocorrect option. Click on it to open the autocorrect settings. Now, you'll see an option to toggle autocorrect off. Click on this to disable autocorrect on your Gmail account. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings. A confirmation message will appear to verify that you want to disable autocorrect. Confirm the step by clicking on Yes or OK. And that's it. You've successfully turned off autocorrect on your Gmail account. Now you can type without worrying about pesky autocorrect changing your words. That's it for this quick tutorial on disabling autocorrect on Gmail on PC. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.